Hello, welcome to SAP platform. Today, in this video, we are going to cover how to make plant in SAP. To make plant in SAP, we have Tcode OX10. OX10 on enter. We have to enter new entries. So, we have to make a new name for it. Suppose we are making a plant of Delhi based. Our company name is Demo and our plant will be a Delhi. 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 We because we can write only 4 characters in this. That's why I had written DLI. Delhi. Name Demo Delhi plant. Demo plant. We can write factory calendar as I'm choosing factory calendar India. On entering, city code will be 0001. Save. Title, we have chosen company. Plant name, Demo Delhi plant. System will be Delhi, DELI. Country, IN. That's it. Now we have to save it. And okay, data was saved. That's all.